everyone, how's it going? Eric here from Smo'King and Barbecue Tips and Recipes. As always, thanks for taking a few minutes to come check out my video today. Now, as you can see, I'm not in the kitchen. I'm not going to cook for you. I just have an important announcement, and I hope you can join me next week when I'm going to be live on the Hot Seat. If you've never heard of the Hot Seat, it's a live show on YouTube that happens every week, hosted by CJ from Cooking with CJ and Kent from Daddy Dutch Barbecue, where they interview someone that has a YouTube channel related to cooking. It's always a lot of fun. Have a couple drinks. We talk about what we love doing, making YouTube videos about barbecue, just cooking food and sharing it with families and friends. So it's next Thursday, April 4th, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern. Please join me. I'm going to leave some information at the end of this video as well as a link below to the show. Make sure you go check out CJ and Kent's channels. I'll leave links below as well, and subscribe. They have great content as well. As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by, and I really hope you come join me next Thursday when I'm live on the Hot Seat. See you there.